What's up, y'all? We're here with a video. Today we're going to be going through my small town, on this wonderful, young, small quad. It's a 2000 Yamaha Blaster 200 for those of you that don't know. It's a small, compact, fun little machine. It's slightly fast, not too fast like a Banshee or whatnot, but it's fun. Today we're going to be driving through the small town and just exploring, so stay tuned. It's going to be a relaxing video, just kind of taking y'all through and exploring. So for those of you that don't know, which ATVs, UTVs, all that off-road stuff, dirt bikes are legal on these type of main roads. These main roads, well, not main roads, but these roads. So they're legal up to an extent because there's one main road crossing through it the whole town, just taking through the whole town. This is a small town, guys, so this is why it's legal. But the only legal part is driving on that main road. We can drive throughout this whole area. It's the main back roads, whatever, dirt roads. There's a ton of places to go. There's a track up there, whatnot. So today we're just gonna be riding around, exploring on my ATV. It's gonna be a fun one, guys. It's also the first video, so stay tuned. We're gonna get into it. It's a beautiful blaster. If you guys want me to make a video on the mods I have on this thing so far, let me know, because I will. That would be a nice little video. Let's get into it. Turn the key on. Thank God it has a key. Won't get stolen. Turn gas on. And yes, it's a kickstart. It's a 2000, so. One last little walkthrough. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear me too good on here because I don't have a microphone in my helmet yet, but so I might not be doing a whole lot of talking in this video just because I don't even know if you guys can hear me until I go to edit this video later. But stay tuned, it's going to be a fun video. We don't know what's going to happen. Stay tuned. Well, let's get it, y'all. Apartments, mostly cheap apartments for new people that come to live here. They're kind of easy to get into, they're cheap, kind of more abandoned and closed down, so yeah. That's motel you can come and stay in this small town, so it's nice. Have nice people that just drive through to visit and sleep. So aggressive downshift, eh? So this is kind of the monumental a little bit. Just gonna take a break. So this is a department of the Army. This is United States of America, 1775. I guess a statue just to commemorate the Army. It's a nice little statue. I like it. It's got like a heart laid out. The flag's up there, of course. It's just overall nice. I like coming and looking at this. It says right here, actually, sacrifice and resolution. This memorial honors the men and women of Rio Blanco County who served in the armed forces of the United States in peace. in peacetime and war on land, sea and air. And so it's sculpted by John Kobold, by the way. Give thanks to him, Kobold26. Yeah, this is just really to commemorate all those men and women who have served, and to thank them for their service, and remind them that their service is not going unremembered, however you say it. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I had to stop the quad because I don't know if you guys can hear me once again. So this is the main road. This is the road where it's illegal to ride ATVs, dirt bikes, UTVs on, because there's a lot of heavy traffic that goes through here a lot of times. Big trucks come through that are just delivering goods and whatnot, like that one way over there in the distance if you can't see. So if it goes from that side all the way, literally just that side. It's just a straight line through the dead set middle of the town that people drive through, I guess, to get around. And yeah, there's a lot of restaurants that are closed down or that have been here for a while that haven't just been open yet. Like that Mexican food spot over there hasn't been open in a while. That place, I don't even remember the last time it's been open. So yeah, discover Rangeley. This is a small town, by the way, small town of Rangeley. Don't know the exact population. It's not the smallest town in the world, but it's getting there. It's pretty small. It's a growing population, should I say. There's 3 churches, I believe, here. Catholic church, Orthodox church, and then another church that I go to. I like it a lot. But let's get into exploring the rest of the town. Oh, that Audi is so clean. Hold on, I'm not even gonna start it up. Wait for the backfires. Oh, I seen this thing driving past my house a couple days ago. Let's see if he hits the backfires. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. That sounds so good. This is a museum. Right there it says museum. Over there. This is one church, Catholic church. Another church too. Here. This is the Rangeley Community Park, I guess, so I'm not going to get too much on the playground because I don't want to be labeled as creep, because there are kids that are playing over there, so I'm not going to spend too much time over here. But here's the one park in Rangeley that we have. One single deer park out of the whole town. This is Elk. So this is Elks Park, dedicated to Rangeley veterans. You'll see there's a lot of stuff around veterans and then those who've served in the military. We like to commemorate them a lot. It's a nice actually piece, in my opinion. So this is Elks Park, one and only park in Rangeley. People come and gather, whatever. It's popping in the summertime, but winter, not so much. the third church over there. That's the one I go to. Yo, nice the truck. That's awesome. Dude, there's a lot of stop signs. Town of Rangeley since 1946, I guess. But it's just going over. It's just going over. This is a mining and coal town. HDs, all of that, you know. It's a fun town. I just wanted to show you guys that. It's nice. It's nice. It has trees and all that. Alright guys, so this is the one middle school and high school combined. You're right, you heard it right. For those of you that grew up in a small town, you might have something like this, junior/senior high school. So basically, there's not enough kids, or I guess money, I don't know how to put it. There's not enough kids, we'll just stick with that. So have a separate high school somewhere, and then separate junior high. There is a separate kindergarten, whatever, you know, elementary school, more towards the front of the town, middle of the town. It's over there. It's just specifically for you know, elementary kids. But it's interesting because our town is so small that we have a Rangeley senior high school. So we have 6th through 12th grade here. It's fun. It's all compact. It's definitely different than if you're living in a bigger city or town or whatnot, and you have a bunch of population, you have a bunch of high schools, a bunch of middle schools. You don't really pay attention to stuff like that. But when you're fitting all those juniors and when you're fitting all those middle schoolers and then high schoolers together, it's a different breed out here. Just so you guys know, it's a different breed. But yeah, wanted to show you guys that. This is the student parking lot, whatnot. You can come park your vehicles. For those who can drive, have a driver's license, whatnot. Up there, I'll give it a second for the RPMs to go down for a second. Wait, yep, there we go. All right, so up there, that is where all the middle schoolers, the high schoolers that don't have a license or a car. This is with a student parking lot. You have a car, truck, whatever, that's where you park. If you drive your ATV, UTV, dirt bike to school, that's where you park, up on that hill. There's a lot of parking space. Everyone does it. So yeah. That's the other side of the building. That is pretty nice. That's the track they have. It's nice. Rangeley High School, home of the Panthers. Yeah, just was right here. So there's the Chinese food. Really the only fast food place in town, and main gas and go spot, I guess, Maverick. A lot of people have it. So this is the old gas station, originally from, that's a nice Subaru, but old gas station from originally when the town was built. It hasn't been open in a very long time, but that's how they used to look, people. All right, just waiting for the cars to go and whatnot, and then I'll shoot across the other side. Alright, y'all boys ready? Strap in, strap in. Oh wow, that was not nice. I like double shifted there, boys. Alright, maybe I'll make a video. Well, I probably will, but just going through all the trails and stuff. I can't right now because I don't have any, I can't make any, alright, I want to go down this path very bad, but as you can see, it's snowed in. It's very wet and muddy. I don't want to do that. For one, I just washed my quad yesterday. For two, I don't have any protective equipment over my GoPro right now. So if it gets wet or it falls off, damaged, that'll be the end. So. Wow, look at that old truck. Are y'all serious? Well, dogs. Nice, that's awesome. Alright, boys. Anyways, after that little interruption, I don't know where those dogs came from, but they dipped. So, well, thanks y'all for watching the video. For those of you that did all the way through, thank you. Much appreciated. Love to have you guys back on the channel. Go to the comment section, see what I want to see what you guys want me to do next. Give me your ideas, you know what I'm saying, your ideas. Yep, give me your ideas. Anything you want to say about my quad, about me, go ahead, I don't care. You want to roast my videos, go ahead, let me know what I can do better on. This is only my first video. Thank y'all, and we out.